picked wrong. I should probably pick Scout on the map every time. I haven't played this game in so long. I don't know what kits are good on what maps anymore. So far, Armor has been my favorite because it's like really easy to get kills with. I used to like no life this game, and I think I'm gonna do that again. Just because it's really fun. It's fun when you don't care about the outcome of your rank. When you just like play for fun, you know? I can just like, you know, style on people like this. It's so fun. Like playing smart and winning, yeah, it's fun, but like just running into people and like zoom and like not caring if you get cleaned and just trying to depend on your mechanical skill is really fun. Because you just like there's no big braining people, there's no thinking, you just run in, click fast, aim well, you win. #1 victory royale, everybody. That was sick. Whoa. Oh my god! What is going on here? Come here. Whew. Cool. Now I gotta try to get to mid without dying. Get sharpness 1. Or at least attracting any attention I don't want. Anyone following me? Cool. I think there's a fire sword in here. No, that would have been cool though. Oh my god! I don't think he's paying attention. Okay. Oh, you poor thing. Oh, he's right there. He has a lot better armor than me. That was weird. Okay. Oh yeah, that's very good actually. Oh my god. It goes for a minute. And then I get speed 3. That kit's overpowered. I never really knew what to play. I think I went Scout and Blacksmith a lot. That's just because I only played those 2 kits anyways. When I first started playing, I didn't have any kits maxed out. I only played this one. This is back when you could max out kits. Now every kit's maxed out whenever you get out. Or like without getting it. There is no getting it. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna take that. It's gonna hack his game. I'll accept it. Accusate me. Lol. Yeah. Level 200 cheating. The way I talk, I guess, is abnormal. I fucked up. No, I didn't. Holy moly! Keep them coming! Oh no. No! No, he's 0 HP, dude. He's less than 1. I'm so frustrated. I'm gonna take this. Okay. Please say I got that kill. I did. That's cool. I need that. Is this guy worthy origin? No, he's Dad Dogi. What the fuck? But he was very talented. Whew. Okay. He could be worthy origin, Nick. Yes, please try to switch out your chest plate. Oh, you you poor son of a bitch, dude. Oh my god. Huh? Oh, sorry? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, easy clap.